July 31st is when I bought this car, believe it or not. I bought it a week after my birthday, because my birthday is July 23. I bought it 8 days after my birthday last year, and it's been 1 full year of having the Type R. So I might make a video, 1 year ownership of the Type R, my thoughts, dislikes, likes, probably in my next video or sometime in the future. But yeah, it's me and my Type R's anniversary today. What's going on, guys? This is Time FK7 and welcome back to the channel. And as you just seen on the title, there's some bad news regarding the Type R. So you may remember on my last video where I revealed the new wheels to you guys. Well, it's been about 1,000 and something plus miles that I drove on these new wheels, and I have some sad news. So on the rear tire passenger side, unfortunately something happened to this wheel recently. I don't know if I have it on my dash cam, but if I do find it, I'm probably gonna pull it up. But basically, I was driving on my way home from work, and all of a sudden there was like this big cinder block that's on the road. It was like a random cinder block, and I didn't react in time for me to avoid it. So unfortunately, my whole passenger side, I drove over the cinder block, and I didn't really feel any major bumps or I didn't hear anything like crash underneath my car or any of that stuff. But when I got home, I did check my wheels. Both of the wheels look fine. It was in the next morning when I woke up to, get ready for work, when I found out that this wheel, all of its air was just gone. It was completely flat. Might be a coincidence, but that actually brings us to our sponsor for today, Woowind tire inflator. They sent me their tire inflators about a couple months ago. I haven't really did a review on them, only because I didn't really need them. And I guess now's the perfect time to make a review of their product. This is available on Amazon. I will be linking it down below in the description. There's 3 versions of them. So you get this really small one. They're nice and high tech. Look at that. Nice color LCDs, displays. This one is fairly hefty. So you know that this will last a long time. And basically, this has a bunch of different modes. As you can see, this is the smallest one. You can inflate your bike, your basketball, or any kind of ball. You could also inflate your motorcycle. And on the box, it also says that you can inflate a car. This one, the middle one, which I've been using the most, I've actually lost the cover for this, unfortunately, but it's pretty much the same thing, only a bigger version of the small one. And as you can see, we have all our presets. So basically you get pretty much everything that you get from here, except it's better because this delivers more air into your vehicle, and it also has an LED light. So this little guy right here, you pull out and then you screw it in here. So pretty convenient. Both of these have their very own case, so you don't have to worry about it getting all scratched up. This is a detachable as well on the small one, and right on top we have a LED light. And all of these pumps use a USB type C. And then the bigger one, obviously this is my most favorite one because of its size. This also has a light in the back, which is very bright, the brightest of them all, obviously, because you know it has multiple LEDs. So very convenient if you're stranded out in the dark. This one I mainly use for my bike because of how small it is. Actually, both of these I can use on my bike. And if you have a motorcycle, these two are perfect. But if you have a car, like for example, this one right there, then this bigger one is the one for you. The battery on these things lasts forever. I actually inflated all 4 wheels with this one right here, and the remaining battery life was 2 bars. So 50% battery life, inflating all 4 wheels. And then this one is about the same, maybe a little bit more on this one because of its bigger size. But what's good about this one is it has a dual power function. So it has a dual mode power supply. You can either run off a battery, or there's a little plug right here which you can just plug into your car, run the wire out there and over there to your wheels. So pretty convenient. So you don't have to worry about this running out of battery, even though, like I said, the battery does last forever. And it only works with the bigger model. It does not work with the smaller model. Now, with that being said, it's been a while since my tire has been leaking. And I did try taking my car to numerous shops, but a lot of them, or almost all of them, said that they don't touch aftermarket wheels, unfortunately. And they said that my car was low, so they couldn't get it up the ramps. So my car is really not that low. This is your typical sports car height, which I did lower this car, by the way. Video coming up, I guess, next week. But I just wanted to address the situation that I'm having right now. But yeah, you can see the difference between, you know, stock versus these lowering springs. The lowering springs I got was from iBack, by the way, which again, I'll make a video next week. I'm thinking about just taking off all 4 of my wheels, replacing it with the stock wheel or my winter sets. And then I'm gonna be bringing this wheel particularly into a shop, and maybe they can fix it so that they don't have to like lift my car up. But yeah, 1,000 mile update on these wheels. The wheels itself drives really good. They feel very comfortable, almost close to stock. I didn't really notice a difference in acceleration or cornering, to be honest. And I go hard on corners with this car sometimes. And this is what the car looks like with the iBack lowering springs. Again, I will make a video. I just wanted to address the issue that I'm having right now. But overall, these wheels, tires, they're great. In the rain, they're also grippy as well. I've experienced no issues except for the one that I'm having now, but that is just user error. That wasn't from Fitment Industry or from Konig or Continental. That was from me. So again, hopefully I see the footage on my dash cam so that I can show you guys. I wanted to see how much the FK7 was worth, and I've gotten pretty good offers on that car. Like the offers that I got was over MSRP, like over the price I paid for the car, because I purchased that car for only $24,000. But like dealers and like other companies that buy cars, they're offering me 26 to 31K. So it's a pretty good offer, but I just don't know what car to replace it with. I am thinking about getting a truck, so maybe in the future there'll be some truck content, but for now we're going to be keeping the white car, and obviously we're keeping the blue car. But I want to ask you guys, what do you guys think of the new Type R, the FL5? Personally, I like the 10th gen styling better. I'm not being biased because, you know, I am a 10th gen Honda Civic Type R owner, but seeing it in pictures, I had the same reaction when I saw the new 11th gen Civics. I didn't really like it. I thought it looked like a beluga whale. A couple months ago, I did a review on a blue 11th gen Civic Sport, where I said it looks okay in person, but in the pictures, it just, no. Maybe that's the case with the FL5. I might have to see it in person to really, you know, judge it. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments, because I want to hear your opinion. I did a poll on my YouTube the other day as well, and more than 1,000 of you guys voted, and I think 75% of you voted 10th gen, and then another 25% of you voted for the FL5. So that's a good 250 people that voted for the FL5. So a lot of you guys are liking the 11th gen. Let me know down in the comments, because, you know, I want to know. Anyways, guys, thank you all for watching. Again, this is just a quick video. I just want to give you guys an update on the status of the FK8 and its wheels. If you're interested in LED lighting or floor mats for your car or any other car accessories, be sure to check out LASFIT's website, because they are having a sale right now, 15% off. If you use my code CTFK715, I believe, you get 15% off. This sale will last until the end of August, so take the opportunity to get your stuff, not just for this car, but it goes for any car. So be sure to check that out. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, because I do make 10th gen Honda Civic content. Like I said, they offer me good money for the FK7. It doesn't mean I'm going to be selling it right away, but I'm thinking about it. This is Time FK7. Peace out.